Hey guys, I have a great Amazon find for you today. This is from HPRT. It's a mobile photo printer. As you can see, you can print right from your phone, and it's really small, so you can probably take it to conventions, things like that. We could take pictures of our tattoos and print them out right there at our booth. So this might come in handy for you as tattoo artists or just regular artists. And I have a discount code for you today, so don't forget to check those comments below. Let's check it out right here on the Floaty channel. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Well, look at this thing. It looks like a cool little photo printer. HPRT, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, thermal sublimation printing. All right, let's open it up. Baby looks happy. There it is. That's the printer. Box is gone. We got accessories. Let's see. More nice packaging. Super profesh. It's cute. So it's like in a little vintage color here. I don't know if you can see that. It's like vintage white. It's so tiny. All right, we're gonna figure out how to use this thing. Comes with cord. Looks like the feeder, or yeah, looks like a feeder of some kind. This must be the paper here. 2 packs of that. And our trusty Manuel. This is called the paper cassette, and fits on top of the printer like that. So here's the opening of the printer, and we found the power button. All right, we're gonna plug it in. Plug it in. No, I don't want to do sing that. Edit that out. All right, and the power cord goes right here in the back. Now it should turn on. So the light went on there. Ink cassette compartment cover is here on the side. Looks like some holes that fit this guy right here. I'm just gonna open this up. It's got some strip on it here, so I'm just gonna hold it carefully. It's got an arrow pointed that way. That's probably how I put it in. Open, insert the new ink cassette, and make it click into place in the direction of there. Okay. All right, we've done that. There's more to do here. Loading the photo paper now. We're just gonna open the cover of this cassette. Oh, okay. Not as much force as I just put on it. I don't know my own strength. Load the photo paper with glossy side face up. Placing more than 18 sheets of paper may damage a printer and cause a malfunction. Okay, loading the cassette. Open paper cassette compartment cover. That's this. and then make sure the outer cover of paper cassette is open. Insert it. All right. So now we just have this open, like so, and it says just put it in there. All right, I'm gonna test this thing out and try printing a photograph and a piece of art because I want to see how the colors look. So let's try a photograph first. Just a picture of tattoo that I did at a convention. All right, we're gonna start this print. First things first, we want to turn this on. I turned it off, so let's start with that. We're gonna hold the power button for 3 seconds, and then a white indicator light should go on, the one I showed you earlier. I don't want to tip it too much right now. All right, and it's making noises. That probably means it's doing stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Good, so we are assuming this is in AP mode now. And we're gonna open the app. So you're gonna go back to the manual where we have the power on and connection. And at the bottom, you're gonna see the download app. And here we can say it's just called Hey Photo. There's also a QR code you can scan. I found it over here. I'm just gonna get that real quick. All right, we're gonna open the app, and here we are in the app. Going to authorize, Bluetooth permissions, allow, and there it is, my printer right there. Authorize. Okay, it took me to my Wi-Fi. There it is, the CP4 100. Okay, I downloaded the app, and in the app I pressed CP4 100. Now I am in my Wi-Fi password. I've clicked on the CP4 100, and I'm going to put in starting with CP4 100 and the last 4 digits in the MAC address. Okay guys, so I did have my iPad out earlier, but I put it away because I realized you can only use this printer with your mobile device, which would be your phone. Having said that, once I tried to get the app onto my phone, the app asked a lot of permissions and wanted full access to my photos. I didn't feel super comfortable with that. I feel like the app was a little bit clunky, not really meant for printing right from your iPhoto gallery. So what I'm going to do is just take a picture and print directly from a picture. That way I don't have to give it access to all my photos. And I recommend you do the same. We're in the Hey Photo app. We're going to hit picture, and we're just going to take a picture, press the photo button, take a picture of my husband's arm here. Okay, now I've got the picture here. I've clicked on the picture. Okay. We went to complete, and now we're going to press print. It's printing each layer, which is interesting. And now it's adding the covering film. All right, so a mobile printer, we took a picture with our phone and we printed it out. There it is, there's the picture and there's the print. You can see it's actually really high quality, especially for what it is, how compact and how it prints so fast and immediately. So that's great. I have this printer I can take on the road, do whatever with. It's pretty compact and it prints immediately. If I want to take someone's picture, I can print it right there on the spot. If you choose to use this printer for your library, just beware that you have to allow the app to give it that full access. So if that's not something you feel comfortable doing, I would just recommend printing right from the photos that you're taking in the app. All right, this thing's available on Amazon. You get 10% off with the code in the description. Don't forget to use that. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.